Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from your recycling bin on your Windows computer, and this is very easy to do. So I'm going to be doing this in Windows 11. So if you open up a web browser, you want to go to the URL and type in www.cccleaner.com/Rakuva and get this application and then press enter. So I'll bring you to the CC Cleaner webpage here, where you want to get to this application, Rakuva. Recover your deleted files quickly and easily. So go to download free version, then go to where it says free download right here. Then here's the download for the free version. Select this, and it should open up a download link in the bottom left side of the screen. Go to the up arrow and go to open when done. Then select yes on the permission. Now the installation page should appear on your screen. So let me drag this over here. Go to install. Then what we want to do is select where it says view release notes. Then go to run Rakuva. Now the application should appear. Then you can go to next. And it's very simple from here on out. You just choose the file type you want to recover. Then you have the option to go to all files, pictures, music, documents, videos, or compressed. So let's go to video and then go to next. Then choose a file location. I'm not sure. Search everywhere on the computer. That would take an extremely long time. On my media card or iPod, in my documents. Then you can search for user document folders in the recycling bin. So I'm going to check mark this. Search for files deleted from the recycling bin or in a specific location. So I highlight this. So let's go to next. Then if you don't find the file that you're looking for, you can enable a deep scan right here. Now this may take a lot longer depending on how large your drive is. It could take up to an hour or longer. But let's go to start just with the normal scan. And now it's scanning my entire recycling bin. And this shouldn't take too long just for your recycling bin to be scanned. Maybe like 45 seconds. Okay, so this is what I found. Now if you look under comment, it says this file is overwritten. If it says that for that specific file, it's unrecoverable because it's already been written over. Now, if you come across something that says no overwritten clusters detected, that is something that we can actually recover. So it should be indicated by like a green circle. So let's choose this file right here. This is a MP4 from my Sony a6400 camera. So I can select recover. And then I can choose a specific location I want to recover the file. So I'm just going to go to desktop and go to OK. And it should be pretty much recovered instantly, as you saw. Now you can go to the file on your desktop if you can find it. And then you can open up. So here is the file right here. Then I can open this up and I can start playing it immediately. So this looks like it's a file from me doing a tech video here on this channel. So this is very easy to do to recover a deleted file. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.